Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you all the codes for September for Weightlifting Simulator 3 on Roblox. Are you looking for free codes on, Weight Simulator 3 on Roblox? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so there are codes that are free to get strength and gems for September. So Roblox Weightlifting Simulator 3 lets you become the strongest lifter ever. And to speed up your progress, you can use codes to get free strength and gems. And here are the working codes for Weightlifting Simulator 3 so far in September. You can weight lifts and become strong, just like in Strongman Simulator. Your goal is to be strong enough to defeat your enemies and fight them, similar to what you can do in Anime Punching Simulator. So to become even more dangerous, you can use codes that can grant you free stuff like strength and gems. More strength ensures that you won't fail after leaving the marked safe area in the game. So working Roblox Weightlifting Simulator 3 codes of September 20 to 23, there are at the moment forward, this is gonna be a lot. So before that, I'm gonna show you expired Weightlifting Simulator 3 codes in September. So these come and go. Some of these might still work, but most of the time they don't. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you for a few minutes the codes that have expired. It's gonna be on the screen right now. All right, so those are the expired ones. Right now, there are 4 remaining. These still work. So the codes, as you can see in the screen, it is the first one is going to be MZLE12M, which will give you 250 strength and 200 gems. The second one is 20K likes, LIKES. It gives you 200 strength and 150 gems. Third one is going to be 200K lift. That's 200K LIFT. That gives you 150 strength and 100 gems. And the last one will be verified, VERIFIED, for 250 strength and 150 gems. So some rewards are randomized, so there is no fixed item that you can get every time you redeem the code. Now, again, I'm going to flash them on the screen. Just, copy it, write it down, or type it in a notepad or something. So I'm going to leave it in the screen for a few more minutes. All right, so those are the 4 codes that are available still at this moment. So you might be wondering, how do you redeem the Weightlifting Simulator 3 codes on Roblox? So here, as you can see here, how to redeem Weightlifting Simulator 3 codes on Roblox. To redeem a working code from the list above in Weightlifting Simulator 3 on Roblox, we have a few steps here that you can follow. Number 1 is open Weightlifting Simulator on Roblox on a mobile or a PC device. Step 2 is press the blue codes icon on the left side of the screen. A redemption box should appear. Step 3, enter the code from the list above. And step 4, you're done. You can now use your rewards in game. So make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears in this list, as they are very case sensitive. So if you make a mistake, it's not gonna take. So Weightlifting Simulator 3 codes are extremely popular amongst the player community, as they offer some hefty rewards that players can use to grow their progress. And again, like, if you go to and again, you got to make sure that everything is uh you punch in everything. I guess that if you're using PC, if you're playing Roblox on the PC, might as well just copy the whole thing. Don't just copy like this, because you might just, even a space, even you don't do this, right? So click and drag slowly up just to the M, right click and then click copy, because if you do this, you're gonna have a space that's not gonna bite. It's gonna be, you're not gonna redeem it properly. So that's how you do it. To get it again, MZLE 212M, 20K likes, 200K lift, and verified. These are the codes that are available right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. These are the working Roblox Weightlifting Simulator 3 codes for the month of September so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.